Processing a refund received on a prepayment. We're going to walk through the steps to process a refund received from a supplier for an unused amount of the prepayment made to the supplier by your business. To begin with, go to the Payables workspace and open a new Checks and Payments form. In the Type field, select Supplier Refund. Then, select the supplier from whom you have received the refund. Specify the refunded amount in the Payment Amount field and add a description to easily identify the refund. Remember to complete any mandatory field. On the Documents to Apply tab, add a new row. In the Documents Type field, select Prepayment, then select the correct reference number, and save the supplier refund document. Now, click the Remove Hold button to change the supplier refund status to Balanced. Then, click the Release button. Notice that the status changes to Closed. To check if the released refund is applied to the prepayment, go to the Application History tab.